Importantly, a chance of rain in this forecast. It's getting a little bit better. Going to be tracking a new system, 64 south and southeast winds near 10 miles per hour. Going to start picking up the humidity. So the dew point only gradually increasing. Still at 39. That means it's very low in humidity, very low as a result. Only 40% out there tonight. All right, today's numbers: 74 the high, 81 is where we should be. So we're still well below average, but the real story, that morning low of 46 degrees. Look at that, 46. We should be at 60, not too far away from a 1989 record of 38. That's where they were at Kerrville. 38 degrees this morning in Kerrville, Fredericksburg, pair of fours at New Braunfels, and Hondo. Hondo will always be a little bit cooler than here in the Alamo City. We got down to 46. And another chilly morning is waiting for you. So bundle up at 51. It's going to be chilly here in the city, but remember, outlying areas will get a little bit colder. So I bet there will be some upper 40s, maybe even some mid 40s in the San Antonio area. 49 Pleasanton. Now, Kerrville and Hondo, this computer model will always add a few degrees. So I guarantee you this will be about 42 or 43 in the morning at least, with some spots in Kerr County, Gillespie County, even Kendall County, probably getting down closer to the lower 40s. Tomorrow afternoon, noticeably warmer. I think we'll get up to about 83. Spotless skies once again. We will not see a cloud again tomorrow. But I think by Friday and definitely by Saturday, we'll start seeing some change. In fact, one of the changes coming tomorrow, the winds have changed. A south to southwest wind will get gusty tomorrow afternoon. This is one of the reasons we'll warm up into the mid 80s, because the air is going to stay dry. And so you'll get these big daytime swings, cool mornings, mild afternoons. And notice that the dew points will stay relatively low in that comfortable regime of 50-degree dew points until Saturday. Saturday, Sunday, we start getting a little more moisture in the air. Dew points go to the 60s, fueling our next chance of rain. Now, the rainmaker. All right, let me first show you this huge upper level low. Eastern Canada dragging down. Remember, counterclockwise winds around the low, dragging all that Canadian air into the eastern United States. Montgomery, Alabama, where I worked before I got here, actually got down to 32 degrees this morning. Earliest they've ever had a freeze in city history. Very cold air coming in to the East Coast. Now, watch this. This is an upper level low back out west of Los Angeles. As it starts moving east, it gets swept up in the jet stream flow and gives us about a day and a half of rain on Monday. Now, there's some forecasts that say it's going to cut itself off and we get maybe a couple of days of rain for that. But we're going to stick with the former of the two, that it gets caught up in the jet stream flow and moves out after about a day and a half of rain. So the 7-day forecast will go 83 tomorrow, 84 on Friday. Both mornings will be chilly, but then over the weekend, look at the highs, closer to 90. And with the humidity, it's going to feel like 90 plus, and then we'll be looking at rain chances. That system comes in Monday. Best chance of rain is going to be Monday and into Monday night. All right.